Kembali jumpa di Fibro Section 4. Akan ke video komentar dan ai jing tip hari bat ka result hapo ke MPSC ki la pandemic result menta kasni kumba sau tali ekpus bat kita exam bari hapo MPSC bat ki weru te nomor babun kim tip kita exam te haban pentip haban yu te don ki blati lupa don ki pat tip te sampai ki video hod bakut ban tip kita exam bar ki result ki pandemic menta kasni hapo ka MPSC te ngin pentip shuash phang ki result ki pandemic menta kasni hapo MPSC dan kumba sau santali ki post ke apply kane ko bani kongswa the result of the interview for the post of assistant system engineer in the department of election July 19 kemud bal apply nadu July 19 kami advertisement tegla pandai benta ka result ibayo ilong the name of the successful candidate day Shri Vivian CH Marak napo garo kategori congratulations namta ini iwe blayo and post ke ar kadai namta ka investigator in the Directorate of Housing January 2024 khamkoloi kane namta arjar safi minta ladavyo conducted by the commission on 18th February is hereby declared the name of the successful candidate is Shri Andi Milsang K Marak Garo category. Congratulations. And then walai kane abda kade kapus jonga Assistant Engineer Electrical in the Office of the Chief Engineer Water Resource Department Meghalaya April 2018 kane kaslama pra kendai atpo apply san news nem chimpor. Okay, ta kini kiba manswa Islam aduk atai dari kiba menta pada kinom Islam shoot takadau penkre kor lupa ayu lupa markin klobe kita exam kan klobe result conducted by commission on 19 February 2025 kina conduct nadu arja khat pra na conduct pada au kena cek February arja absan di interview the successful candidate is Shri Omesa Shilla naka unreserved category. Congratulations to Omisa Shila and sakawabiang kanepne kapos jong assistant architect Gazette Group A under Public Work Department R&B Meghalaya January 2024 kanena du January 2024 la she's name Oshimbar conducted with commission on 4 February 2025 kanega interview conduct 4 February 2025 is hereby declared. The name of the successful candidate is Shri Brandon Wankar napo Khasi Jantia category. Congratulations namtai Brandon Wankar dan the Southly gine ki result ki bapin minta hapo ka MPSC dan segi tarik exam kane kalong gaji pengkamal mar kibun ma kibom yo jing tip ngada pentip bawang ba kinom pha message pi o ka tarik exam ka de kata sni sampai tang sisin lano kan po email kumta na po message tang kan no po era takada kibun kibom tip kamtam ki basa saya ki bajangai bom dona dua kanong ayu ki mentip te kisah penmi ikut kubaro temagi bom jupli kubaro te kemtip ra te kane ko we kapus kateri exam jo kane kapus jang name of the post LDA head of department November 2024 kane ki penmi ho November arjar sau temta klami kateri exam te sekan mau ha subject na po ka yu jong phi apply em nam ta kane kapus LDA head of department November 2024 kateri exam jo kane kare artrik March arjar san kapor kadai khatoi baje hadu shibje sitang te kibun ha ki bakali te ada betu katri exam jangane kan dai how much after March ten lai thu katri exam pada kikali pada saya ka banyu admit card ta nakam ta banyu admit card phabe ab la kumnu no CTO shwa exam kim ju yo shwa la dapat mit exam kim ju ai no hang tong tu hi admit card te CTO shwa exam te la banyu la na CTO kum ta ta ma phela ready no ada kata CTO shwa exam phela ready no ban page po website man download ya admit card ki jongpi ke debit make recruitment.nic.in la ban check itu bila ban download admit card ki jongpi ban tip ba pi auto exam ka e hang no ka school ka center ban exam tes kan mau ta nai pat kali te bila tip ka tarik exam abet CTO shwa exam nai pat kali beda lano admit card CTO shwa ka exam pinsa sedang no ban check ban yu ban download admit card ki jongpi te ka tarik exam bila tip Arbatrik March arja pesan nam takane post LDA krekod bahano pulih bahano kinwan higi jui GK reasoning arithmetic kumtai kumbalai spa mak ega dangam bakala dan sekawai biang kaneru kababun ngan bertip hai kini kiba kibun ma kibi ba apply mam kaneru webna name of the post assistant inspector of excise under the commissioner of excise November 2024 dah page mo itu habana yu kami advertisement jing ne kane de November arjar sau te kane lami ter exam kane ga assistant inspector of excise te sa check itu kiba yu pi apply nam apply kine de jong ka MPSC Meghalaya Public Service Commission ma Tarik exam kene khamjan gade khasantri match arjar arpsan kan mau check then la jan ka tarik exam na kumno shipho tarik lane kandai kita tarik phi ban check no ikan mit kat ka jong phi te ngarut na kle na sa pentip la da yo kan mit kat dengan sepersyang wan pentip wala da bun ki bun matip ndai yang don hi bom yo jeng tip bom tip kumno download kumno dengan sa pentip kita ro an sakan mau kane khasantri match arjar arpsan khatwe bije do chibje stang te pin sayo badai ki santaro thì khi đơn cái này thì khi đi quay là bạn check na po ka official website jong MPSC second mau bạn check na tu sabu ka link po description ro bạn check another exam ấy thì khi đơn biang ginero assistant engineer in fishery department December 2021 adu arjar poik advertisement junior informatic officer in the directorate of information technology and communication department arjar south September arjar south ka date of exam kan day khandai march arjar san kan ka way ka day shipo adu khat steng kan ka ba ar ka day ar adu south steng te la dap ai ki nei kham duna ki ba yu te la dap ai ki yu ta sa kan mau wan check dei ka por ban download ki admit card ki jong phi te sakan ne go pa de sakan mau ha kan ne pa de ka de jong kitu ki ba apply nam ta kan ga meklia age control society te ki la pen mi hang ne notice for written exam la yo ban download ki admit card ki jong phi ki ba apply. The Office of Meklia Age Control Society Shillong hereby inform that written exam for the post of divisional assistant tang ki balada apply ma divisional assistant will be held on 8 March 2025 at Jill Road Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong. The list of eligible candidates and admit card are available in the official website www.mekliasacs.com. Candidate request to download admit card and kindly ensure to fill in the name and roll number as per eligible list given in the official website. The second man page hapok website mekliasac.com dengan check ngaruh usah upload video la page list of candidate kinon em tek tu apply sekan mau ban check don ki ba klet ban apa ya tarik exam te sakawai pat kane bade nakamta kitu ki bakwa ban apply nakamta ka mtet te kila extend biang ya tarik ki bom klem pat you apply ha to ka last date ada you te ki bom pat you ban apply te la extend biang ya last date te pila ban you biang apply ka last date ada extend hadu Santrik jong menai March arjar arpsan. This is to inform all concerned that the online application form for the Meklia Teacher Eligibility Test 2025 has been extended till 5 p.m. on the 5 March 2025. Terhadap kempat dapat apply no seksi pan kun mau kiba yo ban apply ke MTET mar ki don kiba kalianga ta kadang habanong kiba yo ban apply MTET ki dei bai kiba ada ka kelas 12 lane graduate bat kiba de bro ka B.Ed lane ya ka DLED kita kibarang puliru bat kibala debro kiyo mo kibarang under gayung kiyo kibala debro kiyo ban apply gini marba kumba kila dapat petip ba in summit post biang mentak senem next year mereka ba in summit post biang yung LP UP secondary ru summit post biang te kitu kibala deban puli biat na DLED na kibarang pulir mental ada ko ban apply te sa apply no nang don kapor la extend adu santri match arjar san tetangkan na higinya petip kulus bun